Hi, what's up everybody? I am Wishak Akbar from MOKY Designs. Welcome back in the part 2 of PSD to Elementor website episode 1. In the last part we created the hero section. If you haven't seen the previous part, then click on this card to watch previous part. In this part I'll cover next 2 chapters, which are introduction section and about section. So, let's start the video. Okay, first of all let's create a new section. To create a new section, click on this plus icon and then select the single column structure. From content width, select full width. Then click on style. Background type, classic, then upload the background image on the WordPress website. From position, select top center. Repeat. No repeat. Size. Cover. Then drag the intersection widget in the main section. Delete one column. Then we will copy the text, build trust first. Drag the text editor widget in the main section. And paste the copied text here. Then go to Style. Alignment. Center. Text color to primary color. Typography, primary. Click on this pencil icon. Weight. 400. Transform. Uppercase. Letter spacing. 2.9. Then, go to Widgets. Drag the heading widget. Copy the text from the PSD template and paste it here, and the break after word. Alignment. Center. We have to remove extra spacings. So, we will change this paragraph to span. Change the color of the heading to black. Let's add spacing on the top. So click on the Edit section icon. Go to Advance, click on Unlink. Add padding on top around 100 pixels. We have to create these 3 icon boxes. So, drag the intersection widget. Duplicate the column. Click on the Edit section, then go to Advance. And click on Unlink and then add the padding 100 pixels on right and left, and 10 pixels on the top and bottom. Then search, icon box, in the search bar. Drag this widget in the first column. Upload the SVG icons on the WordPress website. Copy the color of the icon. And paste it here. Then copy the heading and description and paste it into the icon box. Add spacing around 22 pixels. Heading color to black. Spacing around 15 pixels. Then change the font of paragraph to Paddings. Then go to Advance, add padding around 50 pixels on the top and bottom and 20 pixels on the left and right. Then go to Border and border type to solid. Let's copy the color of the border from the PSD template and paste it here. Border radius around 20 pixels. And border width to 5 pixels. Let's increase the size of the icon to around 58 pixels. Copy the icon box and paste it into the other 2 columns. Let's customize the other icon boxes according to the PSD template. Let's tweak the paddings. Change the box padding to 70 pixels on the top and bottom and 30 pixels on the right and left. Edit the columns padding, tweak it at around 50 pixels on left and right. We have to remove spacings between these boxes. Select the right icon box and the margin on right -100 pixels, and then go to column margin, change it to 100 pixels. For the left icon box, add the same values on the left side. Let's start designing this About Us section. Drag the intersection widget. Duplicate column. Resize first column to 50% and other to 25%. Click on Edit Section icon, go to Advance, and add padding around 100 pixels. Then we have to add this heading, so drag the heading widget in the first column and copy the heading from PSD template. Then go to Style, change the heading color to black. Click on the Edit column icon and add padding on right side around 50 pixels. Then drag the text editor widget and copy the text and paste it here. Let's increase the size of heading around 39 pixels and line height around 43 pixels. Let's increase the column right padding to 70 pixels. Select the paragraph, go to Style and then change the font to Paddings. Let's add the second paragraph. For the button, I'll copy it from Hero section. I'll replace the text with "no more." I'll remove extra spacings with span. Let's add the images. I'll upload them on website, then select it. Click on Edit column icon, then tweak the vertical align to middle. Then go to Advance and set the margin and padding to 0. Then I'll do the same for second image. I'll adjust it little bit. I'll tweak the paddings according to need. We have to displace images. So, I'll add margin on the bottom of first image around 100 pixels. I'll add margin on the top of second image around 60 pixels, and for left -30 pixels. Okay, this is enough for part 2. We will cover the next chapters in the next part. Don't forget to click on like, subscribe and bell to all icon. Thank you.